Okay, if you got an LG and you see these batteries right here, let me see. Let me make the picture quality better. Let me see. No, what the fuck? Oh, there we go. My bad for my language. All right. You could tell the battery's no good. You don't have to change all of them. See, like that one's a good one right there. And then, but see that one right there, that one's messed up. So just change the ones that look like that. You know, that's my opinion. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I took another TV, took the parts off, and they ain't the same TV. They're not the same TV, but let's see what happens. You know. All right, the TV I'm talking about is this TV right there. Look at 37 LC 7D. The screen won't start.